Germany recently has launched Germany Opportunity Card. Can you tell our viewers what exactly it is?
Is a type of visa when a people is seeking for employment in that particular country. Germany Opportunity Card is an updated version, okay, of Germany Job Seeker Visa, which was earlier being launched. Now the people will be getting 1 year visa. Earlier it was 6 months only.
So what about German EU Blue Card? How is it different from Germany Opportunity Card?
Germany Opportunity Card is a pathway to this particular blue card.
Welcome all. Today we are gonna dive into Germany Opportunity Card, your golden ticket to German job market. Now let's talk to Mr. Ritesh, who is the head of the process consultant team at GetGIS. Welcome sir, thank you for joining.
Hey, thank you Meher for inviting me for this wonderful podcast.
Thank you so much for joining, sir. So to begin with, Germany recently has launched Germany Opportunity Card. Can you tell our viewers what exactly it is?
Okay, so Germany Opportunity Card basically is a type of visa when a people is seeking for employment in that particular country. That is basically what Germany, and this is applicable for those people who are from non-European Union countries.
So moving ahead, is this similar to job seeker visa or there are any differences?
Of course, there are some difference. कुछ differences हैं इसमें, और ये भी हम बोल सकते हैं कि Germany Opportunity Card is an updated version, okay, of Germany Job Seeker Visa, which was earlier being launched, and so I'm telling you a few points difference इसमें. So that is very beneficial for the people who are applying now as compared to the job seeker visa which were earlier launched. So the difference is like now the people will be getting 1 year visa. Earlier it was 6 months only. And the second very most important point, when the clients were asking, are we able to do part-time jobs? That answer is yes. With opportunity card, the people can do part-time jobs also 20 hours in a week. That's a very great advantage which has been given by the Germany government.
That's amazing, sir. Before we get any further, can you tell us how does one become eligible for Germany Opportunity Card?
Okay, so I'll tell you about a little bit brief on this. थोड़ा brief में मैं बताता हूँ इसके बारे में. So there are certain factors which need to be taken care. Okay, so one of the factors, the applicant should be under the age of 40 years, and then he should have a bachelor degree, minimum 3 years is required. And then after that, the person should be having a proof of fund. That is a compulsory requirement, and proof of fund is around 11 lakhs, and that has to be maintained in the blocked account. Okay, and the last but not the least, minimum 2 years of experience is required to be eligible for that particular Germany Opportunity Card.
Got it, sir. So moving ahead, जैसे अभी आपने बताया that proof of funds is one of the most important things that has to be taken care of. हमारे बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स का ये क्वेश्चन होता है कि प्रूफ ऑफ फंड्स में क्या हम सेविंग्स अकाउंट दिखा सकते हैं?
Okay, that's a very good question, a tricky question. Many of the time, the clients, जितने भी clients हैं जिनकी भी इंक्वायरी आती है हमेशा ये पूछते हैं. तो I just want to clarify you guys, proof of fund is mandatory and it is mandatory to show in the blocked account. इसमें म्यूचुअल फंड, LIC policy, any cash in saving account or FD, RD, nothing will work out. Only the proof of fund has to be shown in the blocked account. That is compulsory, which is required.
Thank you so much, sir, for clearing our doubts. Now moving forward, I think our listeners and viewers would also be curious about it. The point-based system. Can you explain us what is exactly the point-based system for Germany Opportunity Card?
Sure. So basically, actually, Germany Opportunity Card, the point system has been launched this time as compared to the earlier job seeker visa. So minimum 6 points is required. 6 पॉइंट चाहिए एलिजिबल होने के लिए out of 14 points. That's compulsory. Okay, and there are several factors which includes to get these points. तो जैसे एज हो गई, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस हो गया, एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड हो गया आपका, और साथ में आपने जर्मनी में स्टे किया है नहीं किया, एंड देयर आर सेवरल फैक्टर्स आर देयर. और कई बार ये पूछा जाता है कि जो एजुकेशन है, द एजुकेशनल डिग्री, इट शुड बी UGC अप्रूव्ड और AICTE अप्रूव्ड, बिकॉज दैट इज़ दी वन which is being considered by the Germany government for this particular opportunity card.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead, what if someone does not speak the language German? I mean, is it compulsory to know German?
Okay, that's a very good point, and I will very honest on this. In the market, there is a myth about this. There is a lot of confusion about this. The people are asking whether we have to give IELTS or not, or German language or not. So I'll be telling it. Many of our clients have gone to Germany embassy. They have visited there for the Germany opportunity card, and none of them have been asked कि IELTS report चाहिए, Germany report चाहिए, German language की report चाहिए. It's not required. So I want to tell all the clients, all the people who want to apply for Germany opportunity card, there is no compulsory कि IELTS report is required or Germany language is required.
Good to know that, sir. Now, once somebody has received their German opportunity card, what's the validity like? For how long they can stay in Germany?
Okay. So generally the Germany opportunity card, the validity is for 1 year. So approval is for 1 year. This 1 year, this visa, the person can travel multiple times. It's a multiple entry visa. Okay. So for example, the person gets the visa today and he wants to travel within this 1 year at any point of time, and he can come back and he can go again.
And in the situation, if somebody cannot find a job within that 1 year, can they extend their stay?
Definitely. So that was the point, because earlier the job seeker visa was only for 6 months. So that's why the people are struggling to get the job in 6 months. Now that's why they have launched for 1 year. Even after 1 year, this can be extended to 2 years. So overall together it's around 3 years for this particular visa.
So, what about German EU Blue Card? How is it different from Germany Opportunity Card?
Okay. So basically, Germany opportunity card is a pathway to this particular blue card, which has been provided by the EU, means like the European Union. Okay. So the first step is to get the Germany opportunity card. After that, secure a job. Okay. Once you get the job, then after a certain period of time, when you have to stay for minimum at least 6 months, then after that, with the help of your employer, you can apply for the this particular blue card. So that will give you a permanent residency tag in that particular country.
Interesting to know that, sir. Now, I would like to talk about a scenario that many might face. What if someone is new to Germany and they don't know how to search for a job? How to start their job search? Can GetGIS actually assist them?
Okay, very interesting question, because most of the people are having this particular query. How does the job search part will happen? So the answer to this, yes, the GetGIS has the solution. Our team has a solution. So the Germany market, it's a very happening market. Most of the professions, okay. So there's several ways are there, like for example, online job portals, Indeed, and many portals are there. And then we have networking through the webinars, seminars, LinkedIn, and then we have this resume cover letter. These are the two main things as per the job market, as per the Germany job market, I will say. Okay, and then after that we have certain other factors which help us to acquire this particular job search in a more strategic manner. So GetGIS has a very separate dedicated team, and the team name is Job Search Assistants. They help with all these overall factors: resume, cover letter, online portal, webinar, seminar. If anything is happening in Germany market, our team will be helping on that.
That's quite reassuring, sir. What about people who are searching for jobs? Can they work part-time?
The answer is definitely yes. That's a very good opportunity which is being given by this opportunity card. The people can work part-time as well, and approximately around 20 hours in a week. That's a very basic and a very good advantage has been given through this opportunity card to the people who are applying for it.
Sir, I've heard that Germany has a great work-life balance. So what are the working hours in Germany?
Okay. See, in Germany, the work-life balance is very good. As per the Germany Act, a person can work 8 hours a day and maximum up to 48 hours a week. So that's the beauty of this particular act, and it's very beneficial for the people who are working there.
So what if someone's passport is expiring soon? Can they still apply for the Germany Opportunity Card?
Uh, I think no about this, because many people have this particular basic query. But I'll be very honest on this. If the passport is expiring, definitely you have to get it renewed, and it should be valid through the entire journey, through the entire time when you're staying in Germany. Okay, so if it is not, then you definitely need to get it renewed to get the visa.
Got it, sir. Now for the big question, why does somebody should consider migrating to Germany with the Germany Opportunity Card?
Okay. See, in Germany, as I mentioned before also, it's a very happening market, and definitely they need a wide range of talents. The talents in the field of like software, healthcare industry, and we have different professions which is highly required in Germany right now. And there's another factor. The Germany government has latestly published the data that they required highly skilled people in their country, because there is a shortage of people there, and they require around 16 million people, skilled workers are required by the year, like I think 2060, it has been told already in the news. And that's why, so there is a very wide range of opportunities are there for these people who are looking for a good job and good salary in Germany through Germany Opportunity Card.
Those are some compelling reasons for sure, sir. Moving ahead, what is the candidate journey from India to Germany? What is the process exactly like?
Okay, very nice question you have asked. So there are basic 5 steps. First step is you have to get the Germany application form filled up, and then second, you have to book the appointment. Okay. Third step, you have to be ready with all the documents as per the checklist, then visit the embassy, and then last, get your visa.
Amazing, sir. How long does the visa processing takes time?
Okay. See, generally the entire visa process takes time 2 to 3 months. I'll be very honest on this. But we have got our first Germany Opportunity Card visa for our client within 20 days. Within 20 days we have got it. From the date of application we have applied for it. Okay. But again, there's a factor. It depends upon the embassy location as well. Like Delhi, we have in India, we have in Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore and Mumbai.
So we have recently heard some news that the processing time for the long-term visas has been reduced. Is it true? Can you shed us some light for our viewers on this?
Okay, sure. Actually, you're absolutely right. There was a latest news, a latest update has been given by the Germany. All the long-term visa, the processing time has been reduced. Like earlier it used to take 9 months or 8 months, 7 months. It has been reduced from that long time almost 2 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so that's a very great news for all the people who are looking for this Germany Opportunity Card.
That's a great news, sir. Kudos to you and your team. Thank you so much for joining us today for such an informative session. I am hoping that the doubts of our viewers are all clear now. They have completely understood that what Germany Opportunity Card is all about.
Thank you so much for this wonderful podcast which we have done right away. And definitely the amount of information which we are giving through this podcast and the question which you have asked, it will help each one of them who are looking for a good career in Germany. Definitely this will give them a very quite clarity on this.
And to our listeners, please do not hesitate to reach us out if you have any doubt or queries. Comment down below or DM us. Thanks for tuning in for this podcast. Until next time, stay inspired. Get your free profile evaluation done today. Check link in bio.